So, uh, that is grade level, highly proficient. I'd like to ask from the central office if you question me nung about of 40 items, no? But there is 30 items lang as no, kaya there is a discrepancy as to the liquid scale ilang gibutan, no, and then sa number of items kasi sa karon wala pa man tayo materials nga makita sa mathematics, so di pa nato makita just thoroughly kung pila ka buok jud ang total number of items in the mathematics. Kay makita na to may discrepancy kay score is 40 items man daw para mag-identify ng grade level. Pero ang gibutan nila is 30 items lang. So, mag-communicate pa na sa central office kung as to the exact number of items. Okay? So, don't worry about that. No? Don't be confused. So, aside from the overall percentage correct, each learner has to adopt sa classroom. Sa inyo sa mathematics and numeracy, how po siya, naan siya ang sub-scores, no? Butangan po ng mga scores as to cognitive process, pila ka buong scores niya nabutang sa knowing, interpreting, applying, and reasoning. And then content domains, numbers and algebra, pila ka buong na, and then measurement and geometry, and data and probability. Okay? Para pag asay daghan ng mga bata nga sa classroom instruction ang paghatag ng intervention activity or program. Okay. This is now the score sheets of the numeracy. In the numeracy, makita niya, it's almost the same sa Filipino and English. However, mas taas-taas ang iyan. Kay, klaro, no? Klaro din sa formulaan. Klaro siya sa score sheets ng 30 items lang. So therefore, 30 items lang to the eye, no? Ang set of questions. So the same select the assessment type, enter the school and classroom information, enter the enrollment, even how many males and how many females. Then automatically will generate the overall results. Okay. Kung pila ka mong bata, kung 14 po na i-type sa score sheets. And then, ang iyang LRN, date of assessments, no? Then sex. Then input, ang iyang scores, okay? Item number. So, pag input ninyo same sa Filipino English, categorize na nila ang sa iyang ang content domains and cognitive domains. Mas nice siya, no? Ang template kay dali na din makita unsay need sa bawat bata. So, this is good. Why? Kasi ang result ini, it's not one size fits all. Na pag unsay result na pag ang kaning bata instructional is urot na imong mabasa na lang ka, pero nada siya specific na nagkulang sa bata. So, mana siya ang iyang tutukan. Okay, class summary. This is the form ng iyang class summary. Class summary, overall na. So, mas dali ang sa numeracy. Kasi sa numeracy, ang imo nang gikinahanglan is kaning numeracy score sheets. Then, proceed na ka sa class summary. Consolidates and interprets the data from the score sheet to provide a clear visual overview of class level literacy performance in Filipino. Okay, mao na rin makita. After the class summary, naa na dayon ang school summary. So wala na tong class record, no? Sa Filipino, English na may class record. But here, tulo lang ka template. One, numeracy score sheets, class summary, and then the school summary. Okay? Same protocol that you're going to follow sa pag-assist, no, na senior high school coordinator, the ICT perhaps, no, in your school, para to do the manual input of the results. Mag-read siya kung ma-appear siya, pag mag-read ka niya ang status ng pasabot na issue. And then, ang iya po din is aggregate kayo. Kung pasabot, walay makita ni mo nga results. However, pag wala siya read, kani ano po appear sa status all clear. Okay? Now, This is also the school summary results nga makita niyo sa dashboard. Automatic ang inyong eskwelahan magkuha na mag-create ng isang sarili nga infographic design. Kani siya sa summary. And then, submit din is the senior high school numeracy assessments. Okay? Next. Alright. So, same manner sa literacy, mao po ni ang inyong i-input. The same. Then, i-click, screenshots, ang inyong naka-check na kuan po sabot successfully submitted, i-send na sa inyong senior high school inyong GC para to track, no, as to how many schools have already successfully submitted the assessment results online. Okay. Next. Let's proceed now to the assessment results. Okay. So, sa assessment results, granting ang tapos na-administer na ninyo ang materials, both literacy and numeracy, na-input na ninyo dito sa system, magkaroon, unsay mosunod. So, this is now the assessment results. All assessment dashboard can be accessed through this single portal. While lain ninyo nga portal, nga para matrace ninyo nga kamo nakasubmit na mo. The school principal and also the school the district supervisors will do the checking and monitoring. Not only require them to do the physical monitoring, but also in the online. After pag-administer nila, so therefore, i-check nimo online kung nakasubmit na ba ang bawat district. If you have, including the private schools, for example, there are 10 secondary schools offering senior high school, expected that the best way the number of schools submitted is through this assessment dashboard portal through https://all small caps, small letters, bld.deped.gov.ph /national-dashboard. Dili ninyo i-click, no? Tanan kung gusto mag-monitor kapila naka-score, school rather, ang nakasubmit o wala pa nakasubmit. So, diri makita ninyo na sa national dashboard ang mga schools ka nakasubmit kung wala pa nakasubmit. Take note, once makasubmit mo, screenshot ninyo ang katong yung proof nga nakasubmit na mo, dili na siya automatic nga pasahon ang inyong school. Mudagan pa ka nag 15 minutes, no, para sa mo refresh ang iyang portal. So, after 15 minutes, go back to this portal and check kung may appear na ang inyong school nga successfully na-reflect yung pangalan nga naa na yung data, naa na yung results. Now, take note also nga dili ka mag-ampas o submit ng data kanang hinanapos na ang adlaw. Kay chances are naa siya yung mga glitches and you will also experience the intermittent internet connection. So, and then magka-crash na ng system sa kadaghan, no? Millions of learners will be encoded in that system. So, much better as early as that, no? Prior to the deadline of submission, naka-submit na mo dira sa kuan. Okay? Para wala na may problema. And then, mao na ni sa ubos ka ng glue, matrack na dayon as to kinsa nga region ang wala pa nakasubmit. And then matrack mo na unsa nga division ang gamay pa og percentage. Okay? And then as in the focal, in the division, Ma'am Irene and I will do the monitoring for the assessment results online. So, ang na po nang i-specify unsa ng mga schools ang wala pa jud nakasubmit. So, let us be responsible to wait anymore as to the deadline. We should not meet the deadline. Instead, 3 days ahead of that or perhaps 5 days before the deadline.
Kaya naghusa si Kuad Baby.
Especially kanto mga schools na medyo kaya lang siya i-manage. No? Now, automated score sheets. No, naman ang results. Na-explain na ako sa inyo, Bultaro. Let's now